Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in not in today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's today Monday, May the 15th, 2023. No, it's the edition of Thursday, May the 4th, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, so I've decided to solve the Thursday, May the 4th edition. We have already solved two puzzles, the ladder Sudoku and the Sudoku with 0 stars. And it's time for the last puzzle. The puzzle is a Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 6441. Yeah. 6441. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 19 printed digits. And should be an easy one because the hard one says always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 19. Should be an easy one. It's also indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, no single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes then. I see here 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes at there. More dual boxes. No, yeah. Here another one. Contains the 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. More dual boxes. No. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes here, only quarter boxes. And you see here a quarter box contains the 1 and the 2, the 3 and the 4. Well, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quarter box. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This is also a quarter box. Then my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Here another L shape. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only 2 L shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only 1 of this kind of shape. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. Yeah, if you rotate this, you will get the Z, or if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. Alright, if you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Of course, I've already filled in a 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3, maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 2 missing numbers in this Z constructions for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. The other pair in this area should be numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 or a 4. Well, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. The only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. Because if I've placed a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution place to place a 1 here. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So, no, not the solution place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there then. Alright, now we have 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 5. Alright. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 in this W area shape. Well, we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and 1. The only place left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, because if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. Okay, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So not the solution place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4. Alright. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 1. And that box can be a 1 because we have double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. Then this box can be a 4, but also that box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. A 1 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area from us. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those, 4 and a 5. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3. Is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. So the only place left for the number 4. These two should be a 2 and a 5. Alright. Then. Let me see. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape. Should be there. 2 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright. That means that this box can't be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 2 numbers left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So there's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Well, I cannot place the 4 here because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. I should be there. 2 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 2. And is connected. Oh, apologies. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. And 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. That means we have a double 4 there. That means that this box can be 4 and more. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 3, and that box should be a 4. Alright. We have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So not a solution, place a 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Then. Let me see. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Finished in 50 minutes. Well, exactly 50 minutes. Definitely a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again. Yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Monday. Yes. Bye-bye.